Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about design patterns in Java. So flyweight pattern. So a flyweight pattern says that just to reuse already existing similar kind of objects by storing them and create a new object when no matching object is found. So advantage of flyweight pattern is it reduces the number of objects and it reduces the amount of memory and storage devices required if the objects are persisted. Then usage of flyweight pattern. When an application uses number of objects, when the storage cost is high because of the quantity of objects, and when the application does not depend on object identity. Then proxy pattern. So simply proxy pattern means an object representing another object. So according to GOF, a proxy pattern provides the control for accessing the original object. So we can perform many operations like hiding the information of original object, on demand loading, etc. Proxy pattern is also known as surrogate or placeholder. RMI API uses proxy design pattern. Stub and skeleton are two proxy objects used in RMI. So advantage of proxy pattern. It provides the protection to the original object from the outside world. Usage of proxy pattern. So it can be used in virtual proxy scenario. So consider a situation when there is multiple database call to extract a huge size image. So since this is an expensive operation, so here we can use the proxy pattern which would create multiple proxies and point to the huge size memory consuming object for further processing. So the real object gets created only when a client first requests or accesses the object, and after that we can just refer to the proxy to reuse the object, and this avoids duplication of the object and hence saving memory. Then it can be used in protective proxy scenario. So it acts as an authorization layer to verify that whether the actual user has accessed the appropriate content or not. For example, a proxy server which provides restriction on internet access in Office, and only the websites and contents which are valid will be allowed and the remaining ones will be blocked. It can be used in a remote proxy scenario. So a remote proxy can be thought about the stub in the RPC call, and the remote proxy provides a local representation of the object which is present in the different address location. And another example can be providing interface or remote resources such as web service or REST resources. And it can be used in smart proxy scenario. So a smart proxy provides additional layer of security by interposing specific actions when the object is accessed. For example, to check whether the real object is logged or not before accessing it, so that no other objects can change it. Then factory method pattern. So a factory pattern or factory method pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class. The factory method pattern is also known as virtual constructor. So advantage of factory design pattern is that factory method pattern allows the subclasses to choose the type of objects to create, and it promotes loose coupling by eliminating the need to bind application-specific classes into the code. That means the code interacts solely with the resultant interface or abstract class, so that it will work with any classes that implement that interface or that extends that abstract class. So usage of factory design pattern. When a class doesn't know what subclasses will be required to create, when a class wants that its subclasses specify the objects to be created, and when the parent classes choose the creation of objects to its subclasses. So this was a brief discussion on design pattern in Java, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.